All right, guys, here we go. Let's do an updated version of the NFT creator or generator here. So the original one, as I posted before, it goes step by step, and I built that one on the go, right? So it goes through multiple iterations of overlaying that image. So on the updated version, what we're doing is we're going to ask how many images, how many layers, and then we're going to go and select those layers. And then it's going to go through one repeat cycle, basically taking into account those layers, and then layers and folders, letting us select our folders, and then it's going to show us what we generated. And let's just demonstrate that. So let's do 10 images. Let's do the 7 layers. And this is the part that I don't like right now, and I do have a fix for it. So let's go ahead and select our layers. So as you can see, I have to go and start selecting. So let's go backgrounds, layer number 1. Select layer number 2. All right, this is a lot of clicks though. I don't like doing these many clicks. So let's go ahead and select layer number 2. Especially if you have a short memory, you might end up forgetting what layer you're on, which is, I forget. Like I was on layer 3 or 4, and I was like, oh my God, which one was the last one I chose? I had already forgotten. So I think we're on layer number 3 now. Especially after doing these many colors, you're definitely bound to forget. So layer 3 is eye color. Layer 4. And especially if you have a complex image that requires multiple images, that might get a little complicated, right? So we're on layer 4. So that should be iris. All right, let's go to layer 5. Layer 5 should be shine. And layer 6 should be bottom lid. And last layer should be the top lid. So obviously this process right here, although it is lets you conveniently choose new images and be able to change if you have multiple images, different, you'll be able to go and select it. This process right here is a little annoying, right? So there you go. It started to generate, but obviously there are some mistakes. So my layers did not get layered correctly. But that's the example. See, at least we know that it is generating the images. There are some errors, which I'll go back and fix now. But I don't like having to select that many files. So that is problem number 1 we're going to have to fix there. So I'll fix it. That way I can fix the issue with the layers being overlaid correctly. So let's go ahead and fix that issue with the folders right now. And I already created a shortcut. A new shortcut is called folder selection. And what it does is it lets me select my original folder where everything is going to be. So in this case, it's inputs, right? And then I can just select my layers right there. And then I can organize it. Because remember, the issue with that, I don't think I uploaded or recorded that part. The problem with selecting the folders like this is that they're not in order. So I could select all my folders, right? So top lid, eye color, shine, iris, background, eyeball, or bottom lid and ball, right? But if I don't organize it, so would you like to set the order? No. Then they're just going to show up in the order that they were selected. Top lid, eye color, and which is in alphabetical order, which is not useful. So if we select, again, top lid, eye color, shine, iris, background, ball, and bottom lid, and now we organize it, we can go ahead and organize it this way, which is a lot faster. So we're going to say background is always going to be number 1. Layer 2. Oh, that's nice. Layer number 2. Layer number 3 is going to be eye color. Layer number 4 is going to be iris. 5, shine. 6 is bottom lid. Oh, and 7 is top lid. And now we get our results in the order that they were supposed to be. Background, ball, eye color, iris, shine, bottom lid, top lid. Perfect. All right, so now let's apply this to our process here. So let's say ask each time. I don't need you to show me this anymore since I already know what I'm getting. And let's go back NFT generator, and select layer. So repeat layer. So now instead of repeating this every time, I'm just going to get rid of this. Run shortcut. And again, guys, this is why I do this, because once these things get too long, it gets really hard to understand it, because it's just easier to break it up into pieces. So select layers, paste below. All right, folder selection. This is going to output my folders. So, and this section right here is not really necessary, but it was a learning experience. So this is actually really good, because I was able to add items to the array to dictionary. And this shortcut I actually got from Redditor, and then I just had to make some modifications so that I can add multiple items. But it works well. Basically, all I did was create this dictionary. I tell it what my array is going to be called. I tell it where my items for that array are going to be by providing it a different dictionary, or I provided a dictionary, my actual dictionary that I need, and then I provided the text that I need. So actually it works out well, and I'll show that in a different video if you guys want to see. All right, so here what I need is, instead of repeat results, it's going to be folder contents. So select variable. All right. First item in folders, or shortcut results. So let's select. And let's rename it. That way it's easier to find. So folders. All right, so when we do it again, I should still get the same results. Let's do 10. Let's do 7 layers. All right. So my folder is going to be that input folder.
Look, I airplane.
Input. All right.
It's an airplane.
All right, now I select my images here: background, top lid, eye color, shine, iris, ball, bottom lid. All right, let's go ahead and sort it. Background is 1, ball is 2, eye color 3,
Whoa.
iris 4, shine 5, bottom lid 6, top lid 7. All right, let's fix that.